All right, this is a little video review for the ABCs of Human Anatomy and Physiology. So you can see this little study book for kids right here. So what this is going to be about is a little book to expand on the ABCs that someone will already know. So this is not for somebody just learning their ABCs, but somebody who already knows it, but you want to expand their vocabulary and specifically into the area of anatomy and physiology. Now there's much more than just one example for each letter of the alphabet right here. I think there's like 135 or so pages in the book. But notice like for A, there are many examples here, like A for adrenal glands that sit on top of the kidneys. And notice the little fun facts just below. The sentences are very simple and easy for anybody to understand, so just a little general information on it. You can see A also here for alveoli found in the lungs. Then you see antibodies right here beside it. And again, notice how there's just very simple sentences with basic facts about each one of those things. Then you can see aorta, you can see arm, you can see artery, atrium, which is one of the chambers of the heart, and so on down the line, and lots more. We get over to B over here, bones. You can see there's a very simple skeleton with just some of the larger bones identified. And again, there's always little simple basic facts underneath each one. You see B cells and bicep muscles and bladder and blood and so on down the line. And notice how you get just to mention little pieces like there's the major types of blood cells. And then you see some other facts right here below it. Blood types, kids have probably heard of that. Blood vessels, mentions just the arteries and veins. Brain, you get on to C for cardiac muscle and so on down the line. So it's a way to really expand the vocabulary. So somebody already knows their ABCs, they're coming up through elementary school, you want to get some more information in them, specifically on science, and specifically the human anatomy part. This is a good book for it right here. So again, as you can see, there's lots of pictures and there's not too much information below, right? Simple to understand information for anybody right there. You can see epidermis of the skin, you can see fingers, lens, leukocytes, which are white blood cells, lungs, lymphatic system, and so on. So a good way to expand the vocabulary, again, specifically in this area of anatomy and physiology. So as you can see, there's lots of information in here. You could look through and read this book for quite a while. So somebody in elementary school wanting to really expand the vocabulary, this is a good way to do it.